Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this rising channel that is formed after breaking out this down channel. And on a weekly time frame chart, Render has already broken out a very big down channel. And after that, you can see it is completely in uptrend. And we will also analyze this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared on 9th of November 2023 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 71% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 9th of November 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal garter pattern that render was completing on a daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. You can see it was completing the final leg. And if I play this chart, then you can see that it entered the buying zone. Then we had a very powerful reversal. And so far, it has pumped almost 71%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal garter pattern. This move was, by the way, formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range, and this was the sell target zone. And below $2.47 was our stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again dropped down inside this buying zone. Then we had a nice reversal. Then we had another nice reversal. And this was almost 13% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of render, and this is the let me show you first daily time frame chart. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this down channel. And I was telling you that after breaking out this channel, the target for this breakout can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $2.96. And you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target. And so far it has rallied up to $4.02, but got stuck inside this rising channel. In case of breaking down this rising channel, the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the channel. That will be approximately at $1.50. And in case of breaking out this rising channel, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $5.98. But in my point of view, after breaking out this channel, it can make a powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance of $6.50. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame chart now. And you can see at $6.50, we have a quite long-term resistance that has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And again, it can be a big hurdle for the price and to continue this rally to the upside. Now, on a weekly time frame chart, you can see that we have broken out a very big down channel, and after that, it has rallied very well. By the way, from this low to this high, so far it has surged almost 1,336%. And now, if we take a look at the target for this channel's breakout, that is here at the top of the channel, that can be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.